Hi, welcome to another episode of the series of One Crystal. This is made of short videos that are very specific to a crystal. It's for everybody, whether you have started your crystal collection or got that piece from someone or whatever the reason that crystal appeared in your life. If you don't know much about the crystal, in this short video, I'll give you a couple of recommendations on how to make the most of it. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, where we teach how to use crystals to bring magic to your daily life. If you only have one crystal, and that crystal is black tourmaline, this is the crystal that will help you to stay grounded and transform the energy of your space for the better. Black tourmaline is affordable, available in individual pieces in both rough and tumble versions. This is a crystal that keeps you grounded and helps you transform the energy of your space. It also protects from electromagnetic field exposure caused by electronic devices like this right here, computers, or other type of electromagnetic smog. Here are 4 things you can do with black tourmaline. Number 1, if you had jewelry, something as simple as a pendant. Wear it all the time. If you have a stone, a single piece, you can carry it in your pocket or in a medicine bag. Another one, number 3, place it in your workstation or computer desk. Wherever you spend a lot of time exposed to this type of electromagnetic fields. Number 4, if you suffer from nightmares or you feel you would like to protect that space so you can relax and go to sleep, you can place it by your nightstand. So now that you know more about black tourmaline, we have some homework. Again, you know what to do. Let me know in the comment section below. Number 1, what was your first crystal and how it came into your life? And number 2, what have you done to learn more about it and how your relationship has evolved? And before you go, don't forget to check the videos and links below. And if you like this video, share and subscribe. Until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.